Hi, this is Heather Castro with Legends Realty. This is 737 Stone Oak Drive, Sanford, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage with 2,300 square feet. You do have a covered front porch. Come take a look inside. As you enter, you do have this entryway. To the left, you do have bedrooms 3 and 4, which we will take a look at. This is the entryway. Here is the access to the garage. You do have a 3-car garage. You have a very nice open floor plan. The large kitchen, breakfast bar, island. Eat-in kitchen. This is your formal dining room space, great room. Do have a family room to the back. Nice and open floor plan. Great for entertaining. This is your master bedroom. Master bathroom with walk-in shower, garden tub, double vanity, private toilet room, and there's also a linen closet. Here's your walk-in closet. You do have a split floor plan, so you have the master in the back of the house. You do have your second bedroom right in the middle of the house, and then bedrooms 3 and 4 in the front of the house. So this is bedroom 2. This is your second bathroom. Another view of the dining room, living room, kitchen. Down this hallway, you do have your utility room with a utility sink, plenty of storage, washer and dryer. You have space here as well, and your air handler. Back to the front of the house, you do have bedroom 3 in the very front. And bedroom 4. This is your 3rd bathroom with a walk-in shower. And last but not least, we'll take a look at the exterior backyard. You do have a covered patio. Fenced backyard. And thank you for previewing 737 Stone Oak Drive. Hope you enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.